Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. In this video I want to show you how I prepare the wood for woodworking, and because this process is almost every time the same, I think it's not needed to be included in all of my videos. That's why I'm doing this video. The first step is to cut the boards on right dimension. Here we have a mitre saw, which is nothing special. When you press the pedal, the saw pops up. Also, we have a scale here, and here, when doing this, here are a few things to consider. I always cut 2 or 3 centimeters more than I actually need. This is because you cannot do a perfectly squared board here. Next thing to consider is that you pay attention to cracks on the end faces. Try to cut them off, and then when cutting on the right dimension, try to cut through the knorrels or wood imperfections to eliminate them later. Here we have another machine. It's pretty old, it weighs 2 tons, it's indestructible, built like a tank, and it's actually American. It says deal on it. Again, it's nothing special. Here we have a circular saw in the middle, and this is conveyor belt which drives the board through the circular saw, and here I cut the boards on the wanted width, but also here I always do about 5 millimeters more or wider than I actually need. Here we have a laser and the scale, and once the machine is set to the right width, everything goes pretty fast. Then we have 2 machines for making the board straight and to mold them on needed dimension. First we have this basic planer here. I use this machine always when I have small amount of boards and when I want to mold each board individually. For example, when the boards are really curvy, or I want to make the thickest board as possible, or for example, when I don't need the lower side of the board to be perfectly clean, this is the right machine. Here with this handle you can easily readjust how much it takes, and first I make them straight, I plan the boards, and then I mold them on the needed dimension. But when I have bigger amount of boards, this goes pretty slow. Now finally here we have Vinyl injection wood planer. This is meant for numerous boards. At the moment there are 4 heads or routers active from each side, but you can install up to 6 heads or routers when it's needed. It's a little bit difficult to set up the machine, but once it's set up, it's at least 4 or 5 times faster than normal or basic planer. But the main disadvantage of this machine is that you can not set up the machine for each board individually. You must find the best setting for all of the boards. The boards are not necessarily all the same. Some are wider, some are thinner, some are thicker, some are curvy, and you must find the best setting for all of them. For example, if you want to have the clean surface on all of the boards, you must set the thickness of the board to the thinner board of all of them. So that means you cannot get the best out of each board. But it's still an amazing machine. Another amazing feature is that you can also add or install the routers with different profiles. For example, you can make a dovetail siding board, you can make tongue and groove siding boards, you can make rounded boards and many different profiles. So it's And the last thing to do is to cut the boards on right length. And here we have a basic table saw to do this. But the important thing when doing this is that you cut off the better end face just a little bit, just to make the board squared, and then you turn the board around and cut it to the wanted length. And with doing this, you can eliminate the wood imperfection, cracks on the worst end face. Hello guys, this is the current situation here at my place. As you can see, it's snowing again in the middle of the March, and it was already 23 degrees a few weeks ago, and now the temperatures dropped and it's snowing again, and this means that I'm not able to do the foundation for my third cabin, and also I have an open project of barrel sauna which I cannot finish now because of the snow, and I hope I will deliver you this content as soon as possible when the weather conditions will be better, the snow will be gone. Also, I can do the cementing or pouring the concrete because of the temperatures, and I hope the weather will get better soon, but it's also really beautiful here at my property now, and this is nature and we cannot do anything about it. And also I want to thank you for watching this video, and like I said, see you as soon as possible. Bye bye. Goodbye.